Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from LUSH. This is the kitchen box, which is their subscription, and this is the November box. Indulge in cozy delights. That's cute. So we got some stickers that go with the theme of the box. And let's dig in. Oh, this is cool. I did already watch someone else's unboxing, which I shouldn't have done, but this is a bath bomb called Fireball. That's really cute. Next up, we have Tall kitchen exclusive shower gel. Warming ginger infusion with a splash of fresh tangerine juice to brighten your day. Let me take a whiff of this real quick. See what it smells like to me. Yeah, I could definitely smell the ginger in that. It smells pretty good. I feel like that'll wake me up in the morning. Then we have Nog. This is a body conditioner. Treat your skin to velvety, soft butters and creamy caramel scent. I don't think I've ever tried one of their body butters, so I'm really excited for that. Ooh, yes, it does definitely smell like caramel. Also have, looks like a golden pear. Yep, that's what it's called. And it's a body scrub. And it does come with a little invoice thing that tells you what everything is and how to use it. And the last item, this should also be Nog, but it's a perfume. And again, haven't had one of their perfumes either. So I like this subscription because I get to try different products I wouldn't normally have tried and different fragrances I probably wouldn't have normally picked. So I will continue to unbox them now that it's available in the US, at least for a little while. So if you want to continue to see some more unboxings, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.